everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over an across the floor combo. So this across the floor combo uses Irishes and shuffle ball changes. So that is what we're mainly going to be working on today. You can also take this one forward and backward. So I'll try to remember to go over both of those. So definitely forward, and then that becomes super easy once you get the forward motion. So with these, you're going to do first 3 Irishes starting on your right foot. You can also switch it from right to left side. So we're going to start on our right foot. So 3 Irishes starting right. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to fill this last one with a shuffle ball change on your left. Okay, now you're going to repeat it on your left side. 3 Irishes on your starting left. And now you're going to shuffle ball change on your right. Okay, this is kind of a typical tap progression. So we tend to do 3, a break, 3, a break, single break, and then back to the 3 break, and all over on the other side. So once we get from here after our left side, then we're going to do a single, Irish on your right, and then a shuffle ball change on your left. Now left side, Irish left, shuffle ball change on your right. And then you're going to finish it out with 3 Irishes starting on your right foot. Shuffle ball change on your left. And then you're ready to go actually to start on your left side. So let's go through that again because that was a lot. So you're going to start your 3 Irishes, right foot, shuffle ball change, 3 Irishes, shuffle ball change, single Irish right, shuffle ball change, single Irish left, shuffle ball change, and then back to the 3 Irishes, shuffle ball change, starting on your right foot. So let's give it a try, whole thing through. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle ball change, left side. Shuffle ball change, single, single, back to the 3. Good. Then you would start at left side. Let me show you how you would move these forward. So obviously the Irish, when we do the Irish, we shuffle, hop, step in front. Okay, and then the shuffle ball change, it doesn't move us forward or backward, it keeps us in place. Okay, so I obviously have kind of a small board, so I can't do this whole thing across, but I can show you the first 3 with the shuffle ball change. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. And obviously you get the idea, you would continue on through it. So now let's switch to the left side. So same exact combo, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3. Starting left side now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, single, triple. Good, nicely done. So that's right side and left side. If you wanted to make it faster, you just speed up those shuffles on those Irishes and it makes it faster. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. So like I said, you can also do these going backwards. So let me show you front view here. So you would do your shuffle, the shuffle comes to the back, you go side, back, hop, and then you would step behind you. Okay, and then you would continue from there. So it would go your first 3, and the shuffle ball change is exactly the same. Okay, I wish I had a bigger board so I could show you a little bit better, but it's okay. So let me show you sideways now so you can see it traveling backwards. Let me just move my board over a little bit. All right, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just the first 3. Good. Now let me show you faster going backwards. So whole thing now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Then you would switch to left side. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Again, sorry I couldn't demonstrate that well because I kind of have a small board. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.